Hi, welcome to week 2. I wanted to give you an overview on what we're going to be covering this week in the chapters and the readings. And I also wanted to talk about an interesting outside resource for you, as well as what assignments you will be completing this week. First of all, some of the highlights in the chapters we're going to be talking about ethics in global business. Ethics are affecting all organizations, and we know in business that in order to have a successful and thriving organization, we need to hire ethical employees. We also will focus on CSR in the chapter, looking at what that is and how that affects our organizations today. The next chapter talks about global business. We know the world is getting smaller and smaller, so to speak. So we'll focus on how business here in the United States is affected internationally, as well as looking at how organizations operate in multinational organizations in different places. Some outside resources that you might find interesting. One that I wanted to focus on is Amy Cuddy's TED Talk. She talks about power posing and how that can help you in your life and how that can help you in business as well. So I would definitely encourage you to check out that video in the week 2 module. The next thing I want to talk about is your assignments for this week. This week you will be completing the following. So you're going to read chapters 3 and 4. You're going to look at those PowerPoints for 3 and 4. There's also a discussion question for you to participate in. So you want to make sure that you're completing that Thursday by 11:59 p.m. And then you want to make sure that you're responding to other students by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. There's quizzes for you to take on chapters 3 and 4. And then you also need to turn in your business application paper on ethics. The instructions for that assignment can be found in the actual assignment itself on D2L. So make sure you focus on getting all that work done. The sooner you post, the better. It allows us to have a great discussion. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. I look forward to learning with you this week.